again, this is not a command in Windows, but let's try. So when I say up, and if I want to get the same command again, we just need to press up arrow, right? So when you say up arrow, you will get this. When you work with IP config and you get this, and again, if I want the same command, I can say enter. You just say up and enter, you get it. That's not the case with IDLE. In this case, if you want to access that, we don't have by default option. So what you have to do is you just need to go to options, and then you have to click on configure IDLE, and here you need to click on keys. Now we need to find the history, right? So just scroll down to search for history. So it is your history previous. Now by default it will be, I guess, Alt B in your machine because I've changed it in my earlier session. If you want to change it, just click on that and select get new keys for selection. And here you can select the up arrow. So you can see we have up arrow. Click on OK and click on OK now. So if you want to access the last element or last command, you just say up arrow and you get the command. Now, of course, when you are new to Python, you will not be knowing this, but once you start working on it, you will be needing this command a lot. So this is how you find the previous command. I got some more questions, after the video. So let's say if you reach here, and in Windows we have this command, this CLS. So when you say CLS, it clears the command. That's not the case here, So that's not the case in IDLE. You cannot simply clear this screen. Even if I try, we don't have anything here. Works on Python shell, but that doesn't work in IDLE. The only way you can do that is by closing IDLE and reopen it. Okay, now if you have seen my videos, in my videos I have done that, so